Hey guys, Digital Reg here. And if you notice, I'm not in the studio right now, but we're actually in the living room of my house. And the reason for this is because we are going to not only unbox, but we're also going to use a TV gearbox. Now, there are different terms for it, like an IPTV or a similar device to like a Google Chromecast, but or the most appropriate would be an Android TV box. Now we've used several Android TV boxes before, so it's been quite a while since we reviewed one. But today I am compelled to review this Android TV box from EVPAD 3S. So actually, oops, sorry. Actually, the product is EVPAD 3S, and the seller of this item is Mobile Monkey, and you can find their store at Lazada or at Shopee, whichever among the two. They have a Mobile Monkey store on each of those online shops. So you can buy this from them for 7,200, and this Android TV box right here can let you access the most popular TV shows, the most popular movies, and you don't even have to subscribe to any of the popular streaming services. All you need to do is just install this box with your TV sets and connect it to your Wi-Fi connection at home, and that's it. You'll be able to enjoy all these popular TV shows and movies right in the comforts of your living room. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby, and here we go. So as expected, this a very handy device. It's geared for home use, but if you happen to fancy to bring this along with you in your out-of-town vacation trips, then this is easy to bring along. Now, along with the package are of course, the remote control and the power cable, the USB charger, and of course the HDMI cable. So you're gonna need HDMI cable to connect the device to the TV set. All right, so let's remove this thing, and this is what the device looks like. Now you have different ports at the back of the EVPAD 3S. You have the power socket here, and I'm not sure what this is, but it says IR, but we'll check on that later. There's the Ethernet port. There's the HDMI cable, HDMI port rather, and you have the AV port here and another port here. So there are two ports, five ports all in all. On the other side are two USB ports and a micro SD card reader. So the micro SD card reader is used if you if you have if you want to view pictures or videos taken by your camera or smartphone, and you don't have a way to link it with your TV, then you just remove the micro SD card and insert it into this port. So basically, those are the ports of the EVPAD 3S. Like what I said, it's quite small, and this is the remote. So these are very this is a very easy thing to set up. So we're going to set this up now, and I'm going to show you through this video. Right, so this is the home screen of the EVPAD 3S, where you can see all the most common apps that you will use with the TV box. So on the left, you can see the HD TV, where you can find all the HD TV channels, whether it's local or international. They're all there at the HD TV section. There's the VOD section, so these are videos on demand, and then you can assign your favorites on the favorite folder. And I'm not sure what online is, but definitely the store is where you can download your apps for the TV box. And so this is where the apps are supposed to be found. So I've already signed in using my Gmail account, so definitely I can use some Google services like Chrome and the Play Store. The Play Store is also found here. And if you're familiar with some Android apps like MX Player Pro, they're also here, and you can use that. Use the MX Player Pro to play some of the videos. And let's explore some of the channels. Okay, let's check what's on the HD TV channels. So, okay, let's check the TV list. And there you see there are a lot of TV channels. There's TVB Pearl. There's a Hong Kong channel.
Quite a great time.
But as you can see, we're in the US channel, US section right now. But so if we go to the Philippines channel, the Philippines section rather, then we should be able to see all the Philippines channels here. Alright, so let's check out TV5. Okay. Channel 4, BBV4.
Same side.
UNTV.
You shouldn't look at the needs of one person, but the needs of our people who
Of
have
course,
brought us
there's
to the
also
place.
ABS-CBN.
This is supplement is only upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
And Channel 7.
Ano mahal ko mga anak ko kay Will? Okay.
Wawa Win.
Tama yun. Eh, ba't kayo nandito ngayon?
Alright, so if you feel like being, my mom would definitely love this section, the Korean section. All the Korean channels in Korea are found here. KBS is here. Let me see if other popular Korean. Oh, TVN is here. Yeah, so TVN has those popular Korean shows, and they also have TVN here. Wow. There's also movie section. So all the movie channels are found here. So if you just want to watch movies, regardless where they originate, then you can find them here in this section. So let's go back to the home menu and go to VOD. So for VOD, these are the popular TV series, the drama series are here, mostly Asian. But for the movies, you can also find movies here, whether they're Asian, whether they're English, whether they're the mainstream Hollywood movies. They're all here. Okay, there's even TV shows for children. There's also for anime, and you can find more. Okay, let me go back to the menu. You can find more by going to the app section. I'm amazed. You know what? This TV box from EVPAD, the EVPAD 3S, 7,200. Man, this a must-have for your household, and it's best that you have a fiber connection so that you will be able to enjoy streaming services without any interruptions. You will be able to watch the HDTV channels all over the world. You'll be able to watch the latest movies, the latest TV shows without any buffering. So if you have a fiber connection, all the more that you will need to have this TV box from EVPAD, the EVPAD 3S. You can buy the EVPAD 3S again from the Mobile Monkey store. You can find them in Lazada, or you can also find them in Shopee. And you should be able to see the links in the video right now, and would like to thank them for loaning me this review unit, and I should be enjoying this and have sleepless nights for the next couple of weeks. Till then, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions below in the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video, share it if you have to, and subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/the DR Networks.